What happened to Oh, nice ride, by the way.
Thanks,
Is that yours?
man. It is mine.
Okay.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, 3 wheels. And there's a small crack right there, huh?
Yeah.
What, he bit into it?
No, I was sitting on the patio just hanging out, and I put it on the back of like this patio furniture sectional couch thing.
Uh-huh.
And she jumped on top of me, and it fell off between the furniture and like this stone wall.
Okay. Furniture and stone wall.
I have never.
Let's see that. Oh, sure enough, got a $20 bill in there. Device incoming is an iPhone 11 Pro. The electrical scan is reading at 2.50 amperes. There's a small fracture on the right-hand side. The display itself appears to be unaffected. Let's go ahead and test the touch sensor as well. Earpiece also appears to be responsive. Volume rocker. Volume up, volume down. Power button has positive tactile feedback. Backside does not appear to be fractured. Rear camera lens does not appear to be fractured. Charge port is fitting snug and secure. And the last thing we'll be testing is the cameras. Here's the back camera. And here's the front camera. A-OK. We do have the parts in stock, and we'll take care of it for you today.